Hey, it's Morgan with WTI. This set of plastic gold silverware from Supernal is just, I mean, it is so stunning. Look how gorgeous this is at this baby shower that I helped throw. I mean, they are just so, so pretty. The hammered gold color is so pretty. It just looks like metal, but it's disposable plasticware. It is just so perfect. I think these were such a big hit at the party. Very easy to use, set up. They were just really, really high quality. And I was really proud to be able to put these out at the party because they just looked so pretty, especially in a folded up napkin. Like it just looked so classy, so cute. And I could not get over the color and the hammered texture. It was just absolutely gorgeous. It comes in a set of 360, so you will have plenty of cutlery for all of your guests multiple times over. They are absolutely perfect for any party that you need to throw. I definitely recommend this cutlery set, and that's my point of view.